Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Update po tayo sa mga release ng Notice of Cash Allocation. Ito po, sobrang dami po ng release ngayon. Babasahin ko na lang po yung mga schools. Ito, San Joseph National High School, Division, hindi. Yung sa Victorias National High School, Division of Victoria City. Meron din sa Union National High School, Tangalan National High School, Rizal J. Rodriguez Sr. National High School, Rosario National High School, Unidos National High School, Petronelo C. Ibadlit National High School, Regional Science High School for Region 6, New Washington National Comprehensive High School, Panayakan National High School, Solido National High School, Toledo National High School. Ito pa, Juan R. Liwag Memorial National High School, Santa Cruz National High School, Eastern Cebu National High School, Marciano del Rosario, Camteño, Cristina David Pascual National High School, San Roque, Mayapiap, Honorato C. Perez Sr. Memorial Science High School, Division of Gapan City, San Nicolas High School. Ito pa, Ditumabo National High School, Ise Ronquillo Memorial High School, JC Angara Memorial, Dilasag, Dingalan, Ibuna, Maria Aurora National High School, Baler, Mokdol, Lowal National High School, Mangitahan, San Luis Cesar E. Vergara Memorial High School, Division of Cabanatuan. Ito pa, FBR National High School, Tigbi, Doña Candelaria Doque Minisis High School, Giginto, Fortunato F. Halili National Agricultural School, Aguinaldo J. Santos, Kalumpit, Cambaog, Felizardo C. Lipana Memorial High School, Bataan National High School, City of Balanga National High School, Division of Balanga City. Meron din para sa Aurora National High School, Kasiguran National High School, Division of Aurora. Ito pa, Bambang National High School, John J. Russell Memorial High School, Jose J. Mariano Memorial High School, Division of Bulacan, Alexis G. Santos National High School, Francis High School, Bunsuran, Dr. Felipe de Jesus High School, Binagbag, Bayet Castelio, Carlos F. Gonzales, Dampol 2nd National High School, Dampol 2nd National High School Annex, Santa Lucia, Dampol National High School. Ito pa, Cabangan National High School, Dalmasio Pablo Carpio, San Rafael Technical Vocational, Balagtas National Agricultural, Katmon, Jaime J. Vestan, Kalawitan, Annex, Assemblywoman Felicita G. Bernardino Memorial Trade School, Canyogan High School, Angat National High School, Engineer Virgilio V. Dionisio, Kalawitan National High School, Iba National High School. Ito pa, Sambales National High School, Panan, San Guillermo, Lipay, Amungan National High School. Ito pa po yung mga schools na mayroon ng PBB, Gisgis National High School, Governor Manuel D. Barrieto, Lawis, Pamibian, San Antonio, Bani, Buktulan, Mena Memorial National High School, San Agustin High School, Jesus F. Magsaysay High School, Castillejos National High School. Ito pa po, Malolos Marine Fishery School and Laboratory, Division of Malolos City, Santo Niño High School, Mariano Ponce, Sulaivan, Division of Baliwag City. Ito pa po, Virgen de la Flores, Maykawayan National High School, Division of Maykawayan City. La Paz National High School, Subic National High School, Jesus F. Magsaysay Tekbok High School, Loklok National High School. Ito po yung may mga PBB na, Ito pa, Laura de Leon Halili High School, San Miguel, Taliplip, North Hills Village, Nur Zaragay, Mayor Ramon Trilliana Memorial High School, Lalambay, San Ildefonso, Pulong Buhangin National High School, Obando, Dampol 2nd National High School, Frensa National High School, Salapungan National High School, Bulihan National High School. Ito pa po, Minuyan National High School, San Rafael, Vidasto R. Santiago, Virginia Ramirez Cruz, Moronquillo, Bunsuran National High School, Annex, Obando School of Fisheries, Parada National High School, San Francisco Javier, San Roque National High School, Santa Monica, Tiaong, Julian B. Sombillo, Partida High School. Ito pa, Hermosa National High School, Limay, Orani, Mariveles National High School, Cabcaben, Mariveles National High School, Poblacion, Samal National High School, Division of Bataan, Magsaysay Integrated School, Mayor Ramon Trilliana Memorial High School, President Diosdado P. Macapagal Memorial High School, Taal High School, Santa Maria National High School. Ito pa, Bicamacho, Pablo Roman, Lamao, E.C. Bernabe, Morong, Balsik, Jose C. Payomo Jr. Memorial High School, Bataan School of Fisheries, Justice Emilio Angeles Gangkayko Memorial High School, Pagalanggang High School, Lawakan National High School. Ito pa, Muñoz National High School Annex, Gordon Heights, Regional Science High School ng Region 3 po ito. Towerville High School, Paradise Farm National High School, San Martin, Muzon, San Jose del Monte, Division of San Jose del Monte City, Minoyan National High School, Graceville, Sapang Palay, San Jose del Monte National Trade School. Pasensya na kayo mga ka-Diyosnabs at hindi tugma yung nasa video sa mga sinasabi ko, Ito pa po, Galvan High School, George M. Padilla, Barrieto, San Jose City National High School, formerly Constancio Padilla, New Balaban National High School, Division of Muñoz Science City, Division of San Jose City, City of Olongapo National High School, Division of Olongapo City, Kalalaki National High School, Muñoz National High School. At sobrang dami pa po mga ka-Diyosnabs. Hanggang dito lang po muna. Bye-bye!